If your Bluetooth device is not working properly with Xiaomi 17, then let me show you what you can do to try to solve your issues. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Once you open settings, you should be able to proceed to Bluetooth settings over here. And the first thing that you can do is you can turn off Bluetooth, turn off your Bluetooth device. Then we're gonna turn Bluetooth back on and then turn on your Bluetooth device again as well. Of course, that might be helpful if you had your Bluetooth device already connected to your Xiaomi 17 in the past. If not, then of course that might not change that much, but of course it is still worth trying out. Now, once you have your Bluetooth device opened, if it's turned on, then if it's not connected to your phone yet, if it wasn't paired before, then of course you should be able to find it on this list of available devices. But also remember that you can use this refresh option that we have on the right side to refresh this list. So sometimes you might need to use this option in order to make your Bluetooth device appear on this list. If you have been connected, or actually if the Bluetooth device was connected to your phone before, but now you have trouble with connecting, then of course we can just try to pair the Bluetooth device again. This can also be a way to solve an issue if only one earbud, let's say, it's working or something like that, if the Bluetooth device works only partially for some reason. So we're gonna tap on this arrow that we have on the right side, and then we're gonna choose to unpair. Afterwards, you want to turn off your Bluetooth device and turn it back on, and of course put it into the pairing mode if it's possible. If it's not possible to put it into the pairing mode, you want to make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to any other device. Once it is, of course, in the pairing mode, we should be able to tap on refresh in here, as I mentioned before, if needed, in order to make it appear on this list of available devices. There we go, and then we can try to pair. Now, if still it doesn't work for you, there is one more thing that we can do on our phone, and that is we can reset Bluetooth settings. So if we go back to settings and then scroll down over here to additional settings, once we open here, we want to go to, sorry, this is not additional settings, my bad. We want to actually go to the more connectivity options. And in here we have the reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth settings. So this is what we are actually looking for. Now, in here, if you go into this menu, you will see that we have 3 settings that we're gonna reset. So Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. And unfortunately, we cannot separate it. So only if you are certain that you want to do this, you want to reset these settings. And keep in mind that after resetting, you will have to, for example, reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, pair your Bluetooth devices again, because every Bluetooth device is going to be unpaired as well. And of course, if you made any significant changes to the mobile data, you might want to check that as well. You might want to check mobile data settings. Now, after you reset, of course, you want to go back to Bluetooth settings and you want to try to pair your Bluetooth device again. If that still didn't help, actually there's one more thing that you can do that I actually forgot about, but what you can do is you can also restart your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot of the device can be quite helpful, just like a reboot of the Bluetooth device. So over here you can just restart your phone and then try to pair the Bluetooth device again. And now finally, if that doesn't help, I believe the last thing that we can do is we can simply factory reset your Bluetooth device. So unfortunately, I cannot really tell you how to hard reset your Bluetooth device, simply because every Bluetooth device has its own way of factory resetting. So you need to check the user manual, essentially, in order to find out what are the steps that allow you to factory reset the device. And once you do that, of course, you want to try to pair your Bluetooth device again. And hopefully this time it's going to finally work. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.